Apple's most powerful foldable phone might be the one that never exists. Hello and welcome to GadInsider. You go to Tech Place. Rumors of an iPhone Fold have been swirling for years and fans keep asking, will it finally happen? Here's the twist. Apple doesn't need to make a foldable phone at all. The rumor alone is doing all the damage. Every foldable phone has one flaw, a crease. It's small, barely noticeable, and most users don't mind it. But Apple keeps floating a single idea that it won't tolerate a crease. That quiet line instantly makes every Samsung, Google, and Motorola foldable feel compromised before iPhone fans even touch them. Genius and a little ruthless. By sitting out the foldable race, Apple implies that foldables bend. Apple products don't end of story. Apple wins by calling the game flawed and walking away untouched. The math backs it up. In the US, foldables are pricey and rare. You can buy a regular iPhone and an iPad mini together for barely half the price of a Galaxy Z Fold. Two devices, no crease, less money. Foldables don't stand a chance. The tech is another barrier. A screen as strong as glass that folds perfectly? Sci-fi for now. As long as creases exist, Apple has the perfect excuse to wait indefinitely. Meanwhile, Apple isn't lazy. Vision Pro is redefining wearables. Apple Watch adds health features and AirPods are becoming mini health devices. A foldable? Not needed. Will an iPhone Fold ever arrive? Maybe someday? For now, the rumor itself is Apple's smartest weapon and foldable phones are losing the battle without Apple lifting a finger. Smart move? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.